Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a 3D never-ending maze on Scratch. I will be first going to the backdrops and using the shape tool, or actually I'm going to be using lines to make a little maze entrance. Entrance, I guess you can say, yeah, entrance. So first I'm going to do like this. You can hold shift to make a straight line. I'm going to be making this maybe a bit bigger. And I'm going to use the fill tool to fill this with red. There we go. Save this. And I'm going to draw another right here. I'm going to send this to the back. So it's going to look like this. Save now. There we go. As you can see, it looks like there's a little thing going to the side right there. Look, there's a little entrance. Yeah, there we go. Now I can make another one of these. Copy, paste, bring it to the other side. And then I'm going to flip it. There we go. Now we've got two sides. I'm going to make it about the same width distance apart because I want to make it look nice. You don't exactly have to do what I'm doing right here, but you can if you want. There we go. And I'm going to make sure these are in the middle. Actually, no, yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it. Move this a little that way. There we go. Done with this. This is going to have entrances going to the left or right, so the player will be able to choose if they want to go left or right. I'm going to change this title to left and right. I'm going to make a new one, which is going to be a duplicate. I'm going to call it left. Just going to have the left open because this is going to be like that. Yeah, these two are going to be grouped. Oh, wrong thing. Okay. Not going to group them, and I keep it like this. That makes it look like there's a little thing there, so you can't go that way. You can only go left. There we go. Then I'm going to make a duplicate of left and right again. I'm going to call this one right. And copy this. Actually, an easier place would just probably be like, just move it here. Instead of copying that one and trying to make it symmetrical, it's easier just doing this. There you go. Now it looks like you can only go to the right. We're just using illusions and 3D effects to make it look 3D. Now, as we can see, we have left and right, left and right. Now we need to be able to go forward and left, and forward and right, and forward and left and right. So I'm first going to make a duplicate of this to make forward and left and right. I'm going to make a shape. It's going to be like that. And it's going to be filled with white. Looks like that. I'm going to make it no outline. There we go. Oh, wrong button. There we go. I'm going to make this 0. And it looks like it's completely straight. You can go straight. it works. And now it would be better if I moved it like this, make it just that tall, so it looks like you can move left and right too. Again, I do not want that little outline there. So there we go. Now it looks like you move left, right, or forward. Again, if you guys have any better ideas, or if you want to say something that might look better, or have any comments, please post it in the chat or the comment section. This is left and right and forward. Yeah. Save that. It's like a duplicate of this. Call it left and forward. This is going to be able to go left or forward. So right there, I'm going to copy this, Command C, Command V. There we go. Now let's move it a bit like that way. So we want to be able to see the outline of the right here. We want this. This is nice. I like that. Perfect. It looks good. Now, what we can do? I'm going to move it a little bit to the right because the bottom thing is showing. We don't want it to. Okay, I can't really make it any better. I don't want to use any of my time to make it better. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can if you want to. It's on your ideas, whatever you want to do. You don't even have to use red if you don't want to. So there we go. I'm gonna make this even bigger. So it goes all the way up. There we go. And because of that, we're gonna have to move this a little. Make a copy of that. We're gonna turn enough to make it look. You gotta make it look. You don't have to do this. Again, you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just have a little time, so I'm trying to make it as good as I can. There we go. That looks nice. I guess, because this thing right here, it's not really nice. There we go. Much better. Now it looks like you move to the left, but the right just stops. If you have any better ideas, you can make it even better than this, but I'm just trying to make it what I can make it. There we go. Now I'm going to get on to making a right and forward thing. An easier way might be, you don't have to try this, but I'm going to Command All, and flip horizontal. Now it's the other way. And it looks pretty much the opposite. It worked. Okay. You didn't have to do that. You could have just went the long way around with the right, but I wanted to try something new and different, so I did. Now, I'm going to check if we have everything left and right. Yep. Left and right and forward. Yep. Left. Yep. Left and forward. Yep. Right. Yeah. Actually, I think something we could do to make the left forward and right forward is maybe. No, I don't really want to do that, but I guess you can just make this a bit longer and just cover up that entire side instead of using the little side piece. But I kind of like this because it makes it a good look, in my opinion. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Oh, one thing I forgot: the just forward. To make the just forward, I think I'm gonna copy this left and forward. I'm gonna put it down. I'm just gonna duplicate it. Move it to the bottom. Call this forward. Gotta change this. This is not left and forward, this is right and forward. Delete the 2. I wanted 2 there. So I'm gonna delete that and that. No. I'm gonna go back here, copy this and this. This here. That did not work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this, right, and just make. I'm gonna copy the. Actually, I'm just gonna make a giant square going like that. Another giant square. There we go. There we go. Looks nice enough. And now we're going to just making it as good as I can again. There we go. There we go. Sorry, I keep changing it. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Again, you can change it however you want. And now right here, I think we delete this portion and just put it like that. There we go. You can only move forward. Yeah. Done. We're done for the backdrops. This is part 1 of 3D and Never Ending Maze, and I will see you guys next time for part 2. Bye!